Check out the latest arrival at Motorcyclepedia Museum. Being shipped all the way from Williamsport, Pennsylvania, is a 1907 Delaware and Hudson boxcar.
We didn't think it was this much work. This was a big project. 2 trucks, 28,000 pounds on the actual box. The other things are probably 15,000 for the pair. It's a lot of work. It came from Williamsport, Pennsylvania. He had 2 of these, 2 consecutive number cars, and he kept them as a set. And he has the other one. So it survived almost 107 years.
I don't think it'll take them too much longer. They'll have it situated on the tracks. But then again, you never know what could go wrong or what could happen. Well, they had to put the wheels on the track, and that took a while because those were really heavy. And then they're strapping that all up so that they don't harm it when they lift it up, because I suppose that if you pick that up wrong, it'll just bust up in pieces.
It's going to have a glass atrium that's sealed up to the back of the boxcar, and then to get in, when we actually open the metal door. I think we got enough space, to actually, so this door opens, and then you come and get into the platform to get on. But look at the height, it's pretty high.
The boxcar is now on display here at the museum. Come visit us and see for yourself at Motorcyclepedia.